has a pretty good collection of lift-up mechanism in their Aventos Top series, like the HS and the HL and the HF. In this video, we're going to take a look at the HK lift mechanism from Blum. It really is an easy mechanism to install. And so we'll look at some of the main features. Of course, the HK top, there aren't many components, but they're divided into 4 groupings based on the size of the door, the height, that is, of the door, and the power factor. Here again, the power factor is pretty easy. If you have a cabinet height of so high, you multiply that times the weight of the door, and it gives you your power factor. So if the door falls in the range, into the power factor range, and the door is of the height range, select from that grouping. Now inside the group, the various colors, there's the dark gray and the light gray and the silk white. And then there is a little bit of drilling to do. Setting it into the cabinet is very easy because you just put it in the cabinet and then slide it up. But there's some drilling to do on the door. So in order to do that, I've included this drawing, which demonstrates where to locate the holes on the door to attach the mounting plate. And you can see on the drawing there that you can see where the top hole goes from the top of the door down to the first hole, and how far in from the side you need to go, which is the overlay plus 12.5 millimeters. So now there's all the instructions it takes to put HK into your cabinet. Let's take a look at the animation from Blum. Our animation is of the Aventos HK Top series, and here are the components: the lift mechanisms, the mounting plate, and the cover cap in white. First step here is attaching with wood screws. This is so nice. Position your lift-up mechanism against the side of the cabinet, and then slide it all the way back till it engages the yellow locator tab and all the way up. Put in the 4 screws and remove the locator tab. Simple as that. That work is all done inside your cabinet. And now we're looking at this orange safety tab. That arm could poke you on it if it got loose. So they have a little thumb release tab so you can move that arm up and down and not get hurt by it. It will release automatically when the mounting plate is attached. Now, take a look at this. Here's mounting that fixing plate, they call it, the mounting plate. And it will, as I said, when you put it onto the arm, it will release that orange tab, that safety mechanism. Here we're putting on the cover cap. And you got a nice clean finish there. Looks nice. And now we're making some lift mechanism adjustments. It's nice if the door will stop incrementally wherever you want it to, and you can make that adjustment on that mechanism. You can use a cordless drill here and adjust the tension on the lift mechanism so that the door will stop wherever you want it to. You have to do this adjustment on both the left and the right side to get your mechanism to work that way. And so watch now here how nice the door will come down and stop anywhere you want it now that you make that adjustment. Pretty nice feature on this lift mechanism. Now we're looking at adjusting the front of the door. And there's the space between the back of the door and the front of the cabinet. It's nice to have that where you want it, so there's an adjustment with a star drive on the arm to get that space right. And now if you're moving the door from the left to the right, there's an access hole in the arm so you can reach the mounting plate underneath. Now, it looks like they're using a star drive there too, but most of the mounting plates are using the posi drive. So you get your adjustments. Now let's look at up and down on the door. That's also done with a cam on the lift mechanism. Here's a thing, an angle stop so that your door doesn't come up and bump the ceiling, or your handle could hit the ceiling and leave a mark. Well, there's a little adjustment right on the arm of the lift mechanism so that you can adjust the door so it stops before it hits anything. That's kind of nice. And so that is your HK lift mechanism. Everything working just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video or got something out of it. I guess you don't need to enjoy a video like this, but if you can get something out of it, that's good. And maybe it'll help you make a selection for a cabinet that you want a lift up mechanism in. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.